Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super practical tip that can make a big difference in your design workflow: how to scale the UI interface in Figma the fast and accurate way. Whether you're working on a high-fidelity prototype and need to resize frames, or you're tweaking your layout for different device previews, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to scale your frames in Figma effortlessly and precisely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're inside Figma. You can either open up a new project or use a file you're already working on. Just load up Figma in your browser or the desktop app, whatever you usually use. Figma is cloud-based, so everything syncs up, no need to stress over having the latest version. Now let's talk about scaling your frame. A frame in Figma works kind of like a canvas or an artboard. It's where all your design magic happens. Maybe you've designed a mobile app screen and now you want to see how it looks on a tablet or even a desktop. Instead of manually redrawing or resizing all your elements, there's an incredibly handy shortcut. Here, what you do. Start by clicking directly on your frame to select it. If you have trouble, sometimes there are multiple layers stacked on each other. Take a deep breath and either click the frame's name in the left-hand Layers panel, or simply make sure you see the blue highlight around the edge of the frame. That tells you you've got the entire frame selected, not just one UI element inside it. With that frame selected, press the K key on your keyboard. This little shortcut switches you right into what's called the Scale tool. Think of K as standing for kaleidoscope, if it helps, because it lets you zoom in and out on your design, almost like twisting the scope wider or tighter. Once you're in scale mode, you'll see handles appear around your frame and you'll be ready to resize. But here, the magic. Instead of dragging with your mouse and trying to keep things proportional, you can simply use the up and down arrow keys. Tap the up arrow to increase the size of your frame. Each tap bumps it up by a small percentage, so you have precise control. Tap the down arrow to shrink it back. It's a lot like adjusting the volume slightly, just nudging things up or down until you hit the right level. Try to imagine you're tuning a radio. You want just the right frequency. What's awesome about this method is that all your UI components inside the frame, buttons, text fields, images, scale proportionally along with the frame. So you don't need to go back and realign everything manually. This keeps your design process clean and efficient, and it's especially handy if you're testing out different device sizes. If you accidentally go too far and oversize your frame, don't worry, just use the down arrow to step it back. This part might take a few moments the first time as you get used to the sizing, but after a couple of tries, it'll feel second nature. And really, that's it. Just select your frame, hit K, and use those arrow keys until you're happy with the new size. A simple workflow tweak, but it can save you tons of time and help keep your designs beautifully responsive. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about Figma, scaling, or anything else design-related, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you and helping out. Make sure to subscribe for more clear, practical design tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.